Hello, welcome to demo of fraud detection in supply chain. This is a login page. You can log in as a buyer or a seller. Login for actual fraud detection. We have used two AI models. One is seller fraud detection and one is customer fraud detection. These are the attributes used for seller fraud detection, and these are the attributes used for customer fraud detection. To implement this project, we have decided to make a website which is similar to e-commerce. Which has all the functionality like add to cart, view cart, place order, view details. The actual working of this model, fraud detection, happens when I click on view details for each product. Here it considers the reviews and the seller details. It takes a bit to load, and see, as you can see, it shows not fraud. And it gives the reasoning for the why it's not fraud. Coming to a fraudulent product, again it considers the reviews as well as the seller details. See, it shows fraud and it gives reasoning. In this case, the reasoning is I return and I delay rates. This is the customer detecting fraudulent product. Coming to seller side, let me log in. Okay, once I log in, it displays the products the seller has listed. Seller even has the ability to add new products. Now when I click on view orders, it shows all the orders placed by customers, and as you can see here, for each customer it labels along with the confidence. Confidence is the probability of it being fraud or not fraud. And when I click on view more, it shows order details. We have implemented these models using Hugging Face API. We trained it on a Deloitte dataset. We also have a blockchain component which ensures integrity, which my friend will explain.
So we are using blockchain because blockchain is going to offer us various advantages like immutability and traceability. So once a certain information is put in the blockchain, it cannot be changed, and we can get the history of all the details that we have added in the blockchain. Giving an example, suppose a buyer buys a product. How does he know that the product is a genuine product or not? So we can use our QR code strategy here. So in this case, when a manufacturer makes his product, before he gives it to the seller, he is responsible for putting in the details of the products and the seller he is giving it to. So when he does that, a QR code is generated, and this generated QR code is then added in the blockchain. Can you show the Ganache?
I'll generate.
So when the QR code is generated, that transaction is added in the blockchain. Now, using this QR code, we are expecting the manufacturer to seal this QR code on the product itself so that it cannot be manipulated. And even if it gets manipulated, we have added a feature where the buyer can log in back in our site and upload the QR of the product and check if the product is coming from a authentic user or not. So now, suppose I got the product from the manufacturer. I scan the QR, I upload it here, and I can see that yes, it is coming from the manufacturer's Coda. This is being fetched from the blockchain, so no middleman can manipulate this. So that is our fraud detection system, and thank you.